I'm not entering 2026 with big goals. I'm entering it with questions. Who am I without the noise, without rushing, without pretending I have it all figured out? Because for a long time, I was busy becoming everything, except myself. For years, I chased clarity by doing more plans, more ideas, more restarts. I thought if I kept trying new paths, one of them would finally feel right. But the truth is, I wasn't lost because I lacked direction. I was lost because I never stayed long enough. I confused movement with growth, thinking with progress, and busyness with purpose. Every time something felt uncomfortable, I quit. Not because it was wrong, but because it asked me to change. In 2026, I'm not searching for motivation. I'm learning patience. I'm choosing consistency over excitement, depth over speed, process over proof. I don't want quick answers anymore. I want honest effort. Finding yourself isn't about discovering something new. It's about removing everything that isn't you. So this year, I'm staying. Even when it's boring. Even when it's slow. Even when no one is watching. If you're entering 2026 feeling uncertain, you're not behind. Maybe like me, you're finally ready to begin.